Hey Team Creative Design, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to be taking you through a few tutorials. These are going to be balloon garlands. I have two events this weekend. One is for my son. He's turning 11, and so I'm going to do some balloon decor for him. And then I also have a photo shoot for a bride's engagement photos. So I have a very busy weekend. I have decided for my son's event, for our family event, that I'm going to go ahead and put everything together so that when I go into the venue I can just pop things up, because we're doing an outdoor pool party which will be an under the sea theme. We don't have long to decorate, so I'm going to do 4 mini garlands that are going to frame a pergola that is outside at the venue. So I'm going to put these together, take them together in pieces as mini garlands, and then connect them to frame the pergola. So this is going to be part 1 where I do the mini garlands. The sides will be clusters that I'll do because I want the sides and the top to look a little more organic. He wants a piece on the bottom as well for a full frame, and that is going to be quad stacked, alternating sizes of about 9 inches to probably 6 inches. And because I want that to sit a certain way on the ground, and then I'm just going to add some extra decor to it. The second part of this video will be just some balloon animals, like I'm going to do an octopus, some seaweed balloons, just to kind of bring the theme out. So don't forget to check out part 2 of the video. We're going to jump right into this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to move rapidly. This may be a time-lapse video because I don't want to take up much of you guys' time. But don't forget to like and subscribe. For all of you who are new to the channel, welcome. And for those of you who have come back, thanks again for supporting me. Let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so like I said, this is a under the sea theme, and I have ordered some things from Amazon. And I'm just going to show you guys what I've ordered. I ordered a kit from Amazon, and I don't know if you guys can see. This kit has all of the under the sea theme colors. It actually is an awesome kit. It comes with different balloons. It comes with foil balloons. It comes with their 260s that I'm going to use in part 2 to make my seaweed balloons. So they have some really nice colors, guys. If you can see those, just different color blues. It actually gave me some clear balloons to do bubbles if I wanted to. And then it also came, although I did order some additional, it also came with some foil balloons here. And these are so cute, I think. I got a shark, and let's see, we have a crab. We have a couple of fish in smaller pieces, and these I'm gonna just blow up with helium, I think. I got a clear bubble and a starfish. So I actually got a good bit of foil balloons as well in this, and I think this kit was about $22.99 or so. So it wasn't very expensive. I will link it in the description box down below for you guys. As you can see, I got silver orange 260s. I'm going to use those when I make part 2, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with those. So I'm going to move these to the side. For right now, you're going to see me doing an alternation of lime green, I think, and a blue, because I want that to be the bottom row of the pergola. And I did grab some other balloons just to make sure I had enough variety of color, because he is a kid. So I grabbed these, guys. They're from Walmart. We're only going to be at the venue about 2.5 hours. It's a pool party, so I did grab these, and I think this is what I'm going to start to alternate with. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was using. Let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I am going to use so now I'm going to start using fishing line. This is a 10-pound weight fishing line. I like the 15 because it's not too thick, but it's thick enough for you to be able to control it a little better. But I'm going to use this up. I do have some 15-pound, but I'm going to go ahead and use this. If it gives me trouble, I'll switch out. But I'm just going to stack these and start to use these. My other garlands are going to be a little more organic. They'll be different sizes for the size, and I'm going to add some 5-inch. But for these, I'm just going to alternate these two. I am going to leave some string on the end so that I can attach it to the pergola, and hopefully it makes it easy. So I'm just going to start with this first quad and tie secure knots using my fishing line. And I'm going to tie it, guys. I'm going to step up so you can see it. So I'm going to tie it a couple of times. Probably about 3. Again, I don't like the thinner, the lighter weight, just because it is a little hard to control. So I hope you guys can see that. And I just tied that in. These will flatten back out into a perfect quad, and this is the way I'm going to stack these. And using a fishing line is a little cheaper, but it is, for me anyway, a little more tedious. And I have 2 events this weekend, so I am probably going to switch out on my next one and use my 260, just because for me, I move a lot faster with my 260s. Now, if I use my heavier weight fishing line, it's fine, and I may do that as well, but we'll see. Okay, and I'm going to go around the existing poster, back around, and I'm just going in the center, doing a figure 8 again to secure these. And I can turn them when I'm done, so I'm not going to worry about it for now. I'm just going to get them secured to one another.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now?